I need to put a shade net over the potatoes because this South Texas heat is destroying them. So you can see I pre-drilled the hole right here. It's just barely poking out. I haven't done the other side yet, and I'll show you what it looks like when this is done here. And again, these pieces are pre-cut. I kind of guesstimated how long it would be. You can see, and all you gotta do is put it out. Another PVC pipe, so it's gonna be flexible. And then bend it. And it's going to bend like that. I'll show you the finished product here in just a minute. Okay, this is what it looks like completely done. You can see the screws are there. They're not protruding at the end. So the frame is there, you can see here. That one comes down just a tad, but usually the other ones aren't coming out. And I just used a basic screw here that I picked up at Home Depot. They worked great on the metal, and anything locks into that PVC. So now all we have left to do is put on the shade tent, and we'll be good to go, and the potatoes will be protected when it gets hot tomorrow, because tomorrow's another 110-degree day. This is what it looks like when it's all done. This one's a little extra long, so it's going here. I also didn't put it over the full plant because the sun comes up back here, and I have these mesquite trees blocking the sun in the morning. And the morning sun really isn't intense, so no worry about that. So you can see this is what it looks like. And these potatoes now will be nice and cool from the sun. This cuts the sun's intensity. This one is about 50%, so good enough to still let in the rays, and so they can grow, get their nutrients, but still not get burned up like this right here. Because today they just got burned up.